Welcome everybody to the course. Before we get started with me showing you how to easily create a website on the Builderall platform, the first thing that I want to do is I just want to show you what you're going to see when you first log in with the 7-day trial. Okay, so this is the screen, the home screen you're going to see. And then right now I'm going to go through some details and explain everything to you. So up in this top row right here, it's just going to give you a snapshot overview of what you have going on. So right here, it will list how many websites or blogs you have. And then over here, it will give you an idea of how many email lists you have. And then over here, it will give you a list of how many subscribers you have per email list. Now, obviously, it's zeros because I don't have anything right now. That's why it's listed as zeros, okay? When we come over here for the 7-day trial, you will have access to all of the features that Builderall offers. Builderall offers, okay? So let's talk about that. So right here, this is the builder. So this is where we are going to build our website. So these are the options that we have available. To you. There's the drag and drop responsive builder, the pixel perfect, and the other options you have. For the purpose of this site, we're going to be focusing on this area right here, the drag and drop pixel perfect to build our website. Then we have Mailing Boss. Mailing Boss is what Builderall calls their email or their autoresponder program. I'm sure you've heard of Aweber, GetResponse. There's so many of these email programs out there. But Builderall, this is what I like about their platform. They're the only company that I know that combines the email portion along with the website. So you have one company providing you both services. And that's one of the things that I love about this company, because you don't have to worry about going out and getting a separate service. Because if you're with Weebly or Wix and you wanted to get an autoresponder or send out emails, you'd have to go and purchase Aweber or purchase a service from like GetResponse. But with Builderall, everything's all included. After the Mailing Boss autoresponder, they have a design studio. So if we click on that, right here in the platform, you can create a presentation, sort of like a PowerPoint presentation. This will give you the option to create that. In the design studio right here, they have images, and you can put your logo on and create your own images. So for example, some of the images that they have in there, I'm not going to go in there right now. You can go in there and check it out. They will have an iPhone with a blank screen. So you could put your, let's say, logo or a picture or a message on that iPhone, download it, and then you could put on your website. Okay, so that's the design area. They also give you the ability to create videos like right in the platform here. So you can create animated videos, right? You can make an animated video. You can change up the character, make it female, male, right? They give you the ability to do that. And they give you the ability to create floating videos. And what a floating video is, it gives you the ability to pretty much just load a video on your website. So now I'm not talking about if you want to load, let's say, videos for an online course, something different. What I'm referring to is, let's say you get an intro video created, or you have a commercial, right, created that's MP4. You can have that on your home page or on a page on your site. So that's what they mean by floating video. And then apps. So these are all of the apps that they provide, right, from Facebook integration, browser notification, SEO on page, click map, and the list goes on and on. You guys can scroll through that. These are all of the nice, apps that they provide to everybody. Okay. And then they have the tutorial videos right there. So they have a lot of videos. So if you want to know how to do something, you can click into that section and you can go through the tutorial videos. And then they have the Builderall Business. Right, but I don't think we have access to it on the free plan. Do we? Let's see. No, we don't. Maybe. So the Builderall Business, I'll tell you, right, loads of video, and I'm just going to pause this video because I hope it doesn't play. Just pause this video.
Congratulations.
Okay. There we go. Okay, I just pause it. So when you click on the Builderall business, what that pretty much is, it's their affiliate program. So if you're really like this platform and you would like to maybe be an affiliate and promote it and make some money, that's what the Builderall business is. It will go over the opportunity that they have available to you. So let's go back to the homepage, and I just want to show everybody a few more things before we get started. Now, let's go into the builder that we're going to use to create our website, and I just want to quickly go through a few things before we get started. So you want to go into Builder, click on that, and then you want to go into the drag and drop pixel perfect, okay? And when you do have a site, this is where you go to my site, but we don't have a site yet, so we're going to go to new site. Oh, sorry, when you have a site, right, yes, you'll go to my site, but we're going to go to new site. When you go to new site, and when it loads, it's going to pull up all of the templates that they have available. So I want to show everybody this. These are all the templates that they have, made for you. Now, this course, we're not going to go through any templates at all. And the reason that I'm not going to go through templates with anybody is because I want to show you how to use the functionality of their editor. And when you learn how to use it, creating or editing a template is going to be so much easier for you. So I'm just showing you what is available, right? And once you know how to edit the templates, it'll be easier to add a page to your website or create a new website. So let's have a look at all of the stuff they have available. So these are all of the categories, right? So from business, from internet marketing, blog, express. So I'll click on the blog section. So if you're interested in creating a blog, they have so many blog templates. It's already created for you, and all you just need to do is edit it and make it your own, okay? Let's click on the fashion and beauty. All right, so these are all of these templates that they have created and have available for you. Now, like what I mentioned, I'm not going to go too much into the templates at all. We are going to go into this section, the boring section, which is just a blank page. That's where we're going to get started, and we want a blank, clean layout. Okay, when it loads, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see a nice white page that you can create your site on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show everybody around and where things are. So I'm going to start over here, okay? So this is where you come to save your work, right? You click on that and that'll save your work for you. This is the preview option. So when you're creating your site, if you want to preview it in the browser, that's where you go. These two sections I'm going to touch on a little bit later, but this is the grid line and the ruler. And what that really does is it just helps you to align everything. I'm not going to talk about it too much right now because I'm going to show you in a later video how to use that. And then this is the undo and redo buttons. And then this is the hide and the unhide. So let's say if you just want to temporarily remove something from your site, you don't want to delete it, you just use those options right there, right? And this right here is where you go to navigate between the pages of your website. So right now we only have one, right? You can see we only have one page, but if you have more pages, this is where you go to navigate through your website in the editor. And then over here, this is where you go to the different device or different sizes of, if you want to view your website on a tablet or on a mobile phone, this is where you'd go to see how your website looks on the size of a smaller screen. Because you want to make sure that your website works properly on a smaller screen. And then over here, I'm going to talk about these sections a lot in the course, okay? So I just want to give everybody a little overview and show you what to do and where to go. And I'll see everybody in the next video where we could start working on creating our site. So I hope you're excited, because I am excited to have you guys here. And I'll see you in the next video.